On the occasion of National Doctors' Day, 1st July 2020. This is a poem of gratitude as heartfelt gift. Dear Doctor, taking the Hippocratic oath, you evolved as a superhuman on this earth indeed. Amid the pandemic crisis COVID, many truths became candid and vivid. When all the so-called gods became unapproachable, as the places of worship are closed, glad we realized that you are the only available and always visible God. Looking at your stethoscope, we patients get hope and stress-free scope. We understand pretty well the extent you miss your family life, spending all your time and energy on sutures and surgical knife. When for unavoidable deaths, some people scold you, making as a scapegoat. Silently you absorb those bitter sufferings in the pockets of your white coat. Your attempt is apt and prominent in controlling a symptom. Your effort is endlessly prompt in correcting our body system. In fight against a disease, with your arms of diagnosis and treatment, you are a warrior. In rescue of a patient as survivor, you look like their server and life savior. Your soothing smile addresses the hearts and slices down the sorrow. Your healing touch dresses the wounds and brings ahead a healthy tomorrow. To encounter upon all pathogens problematic, the approach you adopt is purposefully pragmatic. Though the environment is outrageous and contagious, risking your own life and health, you keep courageous. When an infection annoys us as affliction, you relieve it with utmost affection. When ill health causes us tons of tension, you release it with complete attention. To remove the bad and unwanted from our body when you operate, all the troubles we faced and felt for a long time at once evaporate. Your caring words and curing drugs are splendidly blended as patients for which we remain undoubtedly indebted. The fees we pay you and the words that praise you are less compared to the magnitude of how much we heartily bless. With your prescription to boost up the immunity, you benefit the community. Breaking the barriers of caste and creed, you offer services of humanity. How can this one day be enough to praise your duty and kindness of infinity? Warm regards and best wishes. Alapati Srinagesh, Indian poet in English. Thank you.